Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the history, evolution, and exciting future scope of the PHP programming language. PHP is one of the most foundational technologies of the internet. But what is its story, and why is it still relevant today? Despite common misconceptions, PHP powers over 75% of the entire internet, making it a dominant force in web development. Let's start at the beginning with the history and evolution of PHP, tracing its path from a simple tool to a full-fledged language. PHP was created by Rasmus Lerdorf in 1994, originally called Personal Homepage Tools. Its initial purpose was simply to track resume visitors. As the project grew, it was renamed to the recursive acronym we know today, PHP, which stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. The language has seen several major milestones, each adding significant capability and performance. 3 Philippine pesos was the first widely adopted version. It turned PHP from a simple tool into a real language, akin to the bicycle that gets you to your destination. 5 Philippine pesos was a game changer, introducing object-oriented programming, or OOP. This allowed for building large, structured, enterprise-level applications, like the sedan car. 7 Philippine pesos provided a massive performance boost, making it twice as fast as its predecessor and highly efficient, truly the sports car of back-end development. Most recently, 8 Philippine pesos introduced the Just-in-Time Compiler, or JIT. This compiles code as it runs for even higher performance and efficiency, like the hybrid engine. Despite the myth that PHP is dead, its future is secured by 3 powerful pillars of dominance. The first pillar is CMS dominance. Platforms like WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla are built on PHP, with WordPress alone powering 40% of the web. The second pillar is modern frameworks. Tools like Laravel, Symfony, and CodeIgniter force developers to write clean, elegant code, ensuring PHP's relevance in complex projects. The final pillar is e-commerce and backend APIs. Platforms like Magento and WooCommerce rely on PHP, solidifying its role in online stores and serving data to mobile apps. In conclusion, PHP's extensive use in CMS, its modern frameworks, and its position in e-commerce and back-end development ensure its longevity and demand. PHP's relevance is secured by its sheer scale and constant evolution. It remains a core foundation of the modern internet. Thank you for watching.